Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to access the developer options within the Cadillac Lyriq's infotainment system. And to do that, you'll want to go to the system setting, scroll all the way to the bottom to this About Android 12, and you'll come down to the build number and click it a handful of times, and it will turn on developer options. Developer options down here now exists. And there's a whole lot of options within here. There's only 3 of them that I really suggest changing. If you're a little bit smarter than me though, you might find others. I'm a little bit worried when I'm in here just of messing up something and having a hard time getting it back. And so there's 3 things that I've found. The first of which is this maximum connected Bluetooth audio devices. This starts with 1. I think that's to avoid interference. But if you'd like to connect more than 1 phone at once, a laptop, something else, maybe a tablet, you can change it so you can connect up to 5 assets as one single time. Then down here you'll come to the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. You can change these. You can make them slower, you can make the animation more pronounced, and you can make it faster as well. I suggest turning these down to 0.5. That will make your screen just a little bit snappier and a little bit quicker to use. And then this smallest width setting, this is the resolution of your screen. You can change this as well. I wouldn't change it real high, but let's say if we take it to 650, I think it will actually change it to 651. That's the native amount there. It makes, you can see this is a little bit smaller. This is a little bit more, the resolution's a little bit higher now. I can see more things on my list. It's a little bit snappier because of that. I come out here, the icons have gotten smaller. They're higher resolution. The screen is already high resolution though, so I'm not sure how necessary this is. Overall, I'd suggest going in and doing this and at least changing those animation screen so you can make your screen just a little bit snappier, a little bit faster overall. All right, quick tip from me, guys. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find some use from it. And hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this.